This is a very common exam question where teachers like to set, okay, and about numerator and denominator. Okay, so the numerator of a fraction is 2 less than the denominator. Again, when you see word problem, always use x to solve. So I let x be the numerator because that is the smaller one. Okay, so the denominator will be equals to x plus 2. Alright, so the original fraction, it's okay to write down all this. Take pride in your work. Use all this to find out how it's going to help you solve the problems later. Okay, the original fraction is x over x plus 2. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator and the denominator, the new fraction becomes 3 over 4. Okay, find the fraction. Alright. A common mistake students say that, oh, I just use 3 plus 3 and then 4 plus 3. Isn't the answer 6 over 7? No, it doesn't work this way. Okay, it doesn't work this way because 3 over 4 is the simplest form. It could be 9 over 12. It could be 30 over 40. You know, it's just that 3 over 4 is the simplest form. So you cannot just add 3, add 4 to both the numerator and the denominator. But in this way, when you let your x be the numerator and your denominator is x plus 2, so when you subtract 3 from the numerator and subtract 3 from the denominator, okay, finding the x will help you find what is the original fraction. Numerator is x minus 3 over denominator would be x minus 1 equals to 3 over 4. Yeah, at this point of time, again, we can do this cross multiply method. The 4 goes to him, the x minus 1 goes to him. 4 bracket x minus 3 is equals to 3 bracket x minus 1. Then now do your algebraic expansion. 4x minus 12 is equals to 3x minus 3. Okay, bring that. Now 4x is bigger on the left side, so I bring the algebra on the left side. 4x minus 3 equals to negative 12 goes over. Okay, so x is equals to 9. Okay, so what was the fraction? The fraction is equals to 9 over 9 plus 2. And this is equals to 9 over 11. Okay, so this is how you do this kind of fraction problem. Whenever you see a word problem, always think of what you should let x to be, form an equation to solve it. And that is the best way to cultivate a habit from set 1.